Cool thing we've been doing over the past couple of weeks here on the MacCast is talking to you in the community about how you manage working on multiple systems at home using a single monitor, mouse, and keyboard. So back in the day, we used to have keyboard, video, and mouse switches, KVM switches. And in the age of modern computers with Bluetooth and all that sort of stuff, that's changed a lot. And a lot of us, myself and many of you out there, are now maybe working from home. You might have a work computer and a home computer. And if you're like me, you have limited desk space. So you don't want four monitors, separate monitors for your work system and your home system and double mice and double keyboards and all that sort of stuff. So we've been talking about these different solutions. We've had a lot of great ideas over the past few episodes. You can go back and review those in case you missed any of them. But this week, I got an interesting tip and solution from Chad. And Chad said that basically he uses what amounts to kind of like a two-step KVM. So it's not a one-click system like it was back in the old days. But he set up a system with a little switch and a monitor input switching that really solved the problem for him. So it does require that you have a dual input monitor and a wired keyboard and an RF mouse, not a Bluetooth mouse. So there's some caveats to this one, but I liked the solution because I think it seems very reliable and kind of solves and ticks off a lot of the buttons for issues that we've been having with other solutions. So basically, you connect each machine to a different monitor input source. Most monitors these days have multiple input sources. So say one HDMI port and another, Thunderbolt port or display port or DVI port, whatever it might be. And then you can usually push a button on the monitor to switch between those. And then Chad uses a simple USB A/B switch from Sobrent called the USB 2.0 sharing switch. I'll have a link to it in the show notes at maccast.com. It's about a $10 switch. And yeah, it's USB 2.0, but you're just hooking a mouse and keyboard to it, so it really shouldn't matter. The speed of it shouldn't matter. And then, like I said, the mouse is an RF mouse. So what you do is you plug the keyboard into this switch, and then that goes to both computers, A and B, and then you plug the RF dongle for the mouse into the keyboard. So you'll need a keyboard with a USB port on it. All Apple keyboards have that. So if you have an Apple keyboard, you just plug the little dongle into that. And so your mouse is connected to the keyboard, which is then connected to the computer through the switch. And then, so when Chad needs to change from one system to the other, it's a simple matter of changing the video source on the monitor and then clicking the little button on the A/B switch for the mouse and keyboard to switch over, and you're done. So 2 clicks versus 1 click, but super reliable. Chad says he's been using this system for about the past 6 years, and it works beautifully for him. So I thought that was a beautiful solution, and thank you, Chad, for sending that in.